So, welcome back to another episode on the Civic today. And
hello.
I've got Finn.
Hello.
Bored?
Huh?
Bored?
Oh, a little bit, yeah. But,
yeah, so Finn's here to help me. So today we've got the exhaust to go on. You're going to do that.
Yes.
Or I'm going to ask you to do that. And I wasn't going to buy this, but I've got a 24mm Tegiwa rear anti-bolt roll bar. People say this does a lot to the handling for the Civic. Stiffens it up, so lastminute.com, I thought, sod it. Why not?
Why not?
Why not? I've got the money. It's getting aligned tomorrow. I may do a video, I may not. Probably not for the alignment. Yeah. So I need to get this sorted, and I'm going to lower it a little bit more on the front and rear. At the moment, it's all right, but it just needs a little bit more, I think.
Yeah, I mean, it looks okay, but I mean, you're the driver at the end of the day. Especially if you're putting an anti-roll bar in, that's going to make it a bit more stiff.
Yeah. I mean, I've got the collabs on it.
Yeah.
So yeah, there's I've got the seals as well for the gearbox, but I may get them done today, I may not. I'm going to see how far I get with the exhaust and that, and the suspension first. And in these two boxes, I've got brake pads. So I've got yellow speed brake pads because on the last track day, I set the brake pads alight. So I've changed them, and that's basically it. So that'll be ready for Nurburgring. So stick around, enjoy the video, and look forward to the rest of it.
Let's get cracking.
Yeah. Cool. So, guess who's here? Yay! Perspex for his dash.
I'm making a dash.
Ignore that. There we go.
That's getting changed in about 10 minutes.
That happened somewhere else.
But I'm mocking.
Can I?
Yeah.
No.
No, you can't. It's locked. Just look from the window. I can't be asked getting the kick.
So,
mocking up a dash in cardboard. Going to make it out of this Perspex, ever so kindly given to me by John. And then I'm going to wrap it up black because I don't want the sheen off the sun. So
I just put a shitload of stickers on it or some shit.
No, I really don't like sticker bomb shit. I think it just looks a bit naff, personally.
If done right.
I think, to be honest, if a whole car was like sticker bomb, I'd be like, that's pretty cool. But
I don't think we've got the A grade.
Well, this car just want looking sort of like neat and clean. Very different to how
Neat
it
and
looks
clean.
now. No, I've just stripped it, that's all. But it's a fucking just slick. I don't want to draw attention to the dash. The car's supposed to be the attention, it's not
Yeah, so that'll be on a future episode.
Potentially. I got this far, me and my girlfriend Mel got this far, cutting it out and taping and getting it sort of mocked up, and then I thought this would make a good video. So I've not recorded any of this so far, but it could potentially.
Dope. Like that. But how's the exhaust going, Finn?
It's all right, to be fair. We bolted the back box in, just about. We just bolted it back up to this pipe here. It's actually, it's cleared all right, to be fair.
Yeah.
Now that we've got it all sort of bolted in.
So it just needs racing up, obviously. Is that tight? Have you tightened that band?
Sort of, yeah.
It just needs loose, it needs racing up a bit more.
Yeah.
You can see just at the back box it's too low, but the only reason I put this on because this was on the other exhaust was hanging low out.
There's a car there.
Yeah, so at the moment, fair enough, we haven't bolted it, so you may need to loosen them because I haven't bolted this up, but that's the new exhaust on. And I've got the old anti-roll bar off, so this is the old one. Definitely tell it needs doing. I don't know what's that. I think they're like 18mm these, and then I'm going to 24mm. So once Finn's finished, gonna get this fully on. Now it is.
Hey.
Right, so that's the anti-roll bar on.
She's looking saucy.
Yeah, so the exhaust is on, but I know I need to, the rubbers aren't, so I'm gonna ask Sean politely to re-weld it, you know, so it sits a bit higher. It gives you a hell of a lot more room here. Before I was really tight, so you got a lot more room. Drop links, I can see why a lot of people use the standard ones, but it went on all right. Like, it was just tight. I've had to actually tell a lie. Top bolts, because the way they were, I had to use longer bolts. They go in. The ones that they give you are too short, so I had a bar on here, and because these are so much tighter,
They wouldn't reach.
They wouldn't reach. So the original bolt, this one there, is yay long. I've had to put like ½ an inch on top of that just to get it in, so I could screw it in, or they weren't going in. So just for your knowledge, if you ever do it. But it's tight, yeah.
It's tight.
But the exhaust sits higher, a little bit higher, but I won't mind getting something where I can raise it up, because this, with this heating up, especially from the track day, she's starting to sag a little. But other than that, we'll get it down.
See how she sounds.
Yeah, cool. Quiet.
A lot quieter, yeah.
Well, that's what I wanted, because like I said, with Nurburgring, they have, well, tracks and that, it was got noise restrictions and I don't want to get thrown off.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
Definitely a lot quieter.
A hell of a lot quieter, yeah.
Cool, so this is another day. Sean's here, yay! Because Sean, so the anti-roll bar's done. I've changed the drop links, so I didn't like the other ones. That side came loose. It was nasty noise, so I've put the stand one back in. If you go on YouTube, you see most of them, they just use the standard ones, so I thought, sod it, I'm going to use the standard ones. Sean's welded that for me, so it actually fits now. Thank you, Sean. So he's welded it, so it actually fits properly.
I've welded it so it'll probably fall off.
Yeah. going around the Nurburgring now. Ding, 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 ding. I'll sit right behind that gentleman there, like, and he'll spin again. Yeah. So that's the Civic almost done. We'd noticed that the rocker cover is leaking. He's had a look at the seal on the gearbox. You don't think it's a seal?
It's not a seal, no.
Not the seal, so
It doesn't smell. You know what gearbox oil smells like. It's not gearbox oil. That's like on it. So it's definitely engine oil, which is coming from further up. So it's got to be rocker.
yeah. So I'm going to do the seal as well as the engine oil. I won't do an episode or anything like that because everyone knows how to do that.
Cover, they should say.
Yeah, cam cover. So the next time you'll see this car, will be going to Nurburgring. And you've got a couple of episodes coming out soon.
Yeah, I have to pull my finger out and sort them out. Yeah, things have changed for me quite drastically, really, haven't they? So yeah,
From a GTO, and we've got the F-150 coming up soon, hopefully, maybe.
Yeah, that's some big progress on that. So yeah, it's pretty cool, really.
Cool. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, like we always say, and look for more content. Like I said, we've got some more for that. Them two, sorry, we don't know if we're going to do another track day. I might buy another car. I've got, if I haven't already done, got some footage of the drifting in the E46. I've got to do a few bits to that, and the M5 and that lot. So thanks for watching. See you next time.